Immersive sound and light show Luminescence is making its U.S. debut in Minnesota after captivating audiences across Europe. This experience is open to the public at the Basilica of St. Mary in Minneapolis, transforming the historic landmark through music, light, and storytelling. It runs through early 2026, and a portion of the proceeds will support the restoration of the Basilica. EWTN spoke with the show's creator, Roman Safati, shortly before its debut. Roman Safati, the creator of Luminescence, thank you so much for joining us. Tell us more about the show that's making its U.S. debut after a sold-out European tour for nearly 2 years.
Yes, Luminescence is an immersive visual and music experience that brings history, architecture, and emotion together through light, sound, and live music. We've been presenting the show in the most beautiful European cathedral, and now super excited to present our show in the US for the first time.
Now, this show is going to be commemorating America's 250th. Tell us what you have planned.
Yes, so we will be presenting this show in St. Mary Basilica in Minneapolis. This will tell and celebrate the 100 years anniversary of the Basilica itself, beyond the 250 years of the USA. And this Basilica was actually the first Basilica in the US. So we'll tell its story through 3D video mapping at 360 degrees with live orchestra, live choir, and a poetic narration.
What first inspired you to put this together?
I think Luminescence was born from a very simple desire to bring light back to heritage sites and churches to help people rediscover a sense of wonder and peace. And I believe we live in a world that moves very fast, full of screens, noise, distraction. And I felt that people were longing for beauty again, for silence, for peace. So that was the whole inspiration behind.
Now, nearly 1 million people have experienced it across Europe. What do you think resonated most with European audiences?
So for us, European, rediscovering their beauty and their history is very moving, because for centuries, generation and generation of believers have built these magnificent monuments. So that resonate very deeply in our heart.
So this is a brand new show making its debut in the U.S. What do you hope people will take away after attending?
I think I hope they feel a sense of peace, the kind that stays quietly inside you. I hope they remember what it means to be moved by beauty and share that emotion with others. If they leave their eyes with their eyes lifted and their hearts open, then we've succeeded.
You've called this an exploration of the emotional power of heritage. Can you share with us what that means to you personally?
I think more than ever, we need to bring people back together through a common history, a common line from generation, from our ancestors. So to me, bringing life into our heritage sites is a way to bring people together and reconnect them with the beauty that surrounds them.
Roman Safati, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for hosting me.